Are you a fan of flavorful curries? If so, you have to try this raw jackfruit curry with coconut milk. Hi there, I'm Pritha and let's get started. Boil water in a pressure cooker, then add oil and salt. Add jackfruit pieces and cook until one whistle sounds. Jackfruit tastes better when cooked well. Boil grated coconut for 2 minutes. And squeeze to extract the milk. Then strain it. Heat mustard oil and fry some potatoes. Fry potato in high heat, then set aside. Fry onion in medium heat. Fry until golden brown. Then add ginger garlic paste. Add tomato and fry till it softens. And add dry spices, turmeric, chili powder, coriander, cumin powder. Fry in low heat till the raw flavor is gone. Add the cooked jackfruit and potatoes. Fry until the spices turn aromatic. Then add hot water and coconut milk. Boil in high heat. Then add salt to taste. And cook until the potatoes are done. Add ghee, sugar and garam masala and slow cook until the oil floats on the surface. Finish with roasted cumin powder and cook for another minute or two. And that's it. A delicious raw jackfruit curry with coconut milk is ready to serve. Serve hot with rice or roti. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Happy cooking. Bye.